Well, hey guys, it is July 27th, and today is the day that Mars is the closest to Earth. So tonight we're going to try to get some photographs of it. But first, we got to get this grass cut. So the sun's almost down. We've got the telescope and the chairs set up. One of the things that I've realized is very crucial with this telescope in the short time that I've had it is that you've got to make sure when you set the tripod up that it's dead level. That way up and down is actually up and down and left and right is actually left and right. Also, that the polar alignment of the mount is correct. It says in the instruction manual that this does not track on the deck axis, so it doesn't track moving this direction. It only tracks in this direction. So it's important to make sure that the polar alignment is correct. That way the axis at which that rotates aligns with the axis that the sky rotates, apparently. And also it's very important to have this balanced. We're going to be doing some photography tonight. We're going to be taking pictures of Mars. So here in a little bit, I'm actually going to attach the camera and make sure that it's balanced with the camera. Because once that goes on, that'll change the balance drastically. You want to make sure it's balanced in this orientation and also in this orientation. Once again, the deck axis isn't as critical as the right ascension axis, which is this axis of the telescope. So we're going to go ahead and get everything balanced up, get everything set, and just wait for the sun to go down. Abraham Lincoln said that if you gave him 6 hours to cut down a tree, that he'd spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. We had planned this night for several weeks, and we intended to spend most of the night out there taking photos of Mars while it was closest to Earth, taking photos of the Milky Way, star trails, time lapse. But what we didn't plan for was the fact that that night was also a full moon at 99.6% illumination. This made any photographs of the Milky Way impossible. Also that night, the temperature dropped by 10-15 degrees, which dropped a very heavy dew and soaked all of our equipment. It also left a heavy fog in the air and a lot of haze that made viewing of anything in the skies nearly impossible. We plan on going back out in a couple weeks when it's a new moon, and hopefully we'll have better results then. So if you like this video, be sure and click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.